In this video, we're going to show you how to organize your notes in Obsidian. Keeping your notes organized is one of the most important parts of building an effective knowledge management system. Whether you're using Obsidian for work, school, research, content creation, or personal projects, having a well-structured vault can help you find information faster and stay productive. However, as your collection of notes grows, it can become difficult to keep track of everything. Without a clear organizational system, important information can get buried beneath dozens or even hundreds of notes. The good news is that Obsidian provides several built-in tools that make it easy to organize your notes and create a system that scales as your vault grows. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method to organize your notes and make your Obsidian vault easier to navigate and maintain. So, let's get started. The first step is to create folders for your major categories of information. Open the File Explorer panel and click the New Folder button. Create folders based on the areas you want to organize, such as projects, research, work, personal, study notes, or content ideas. Once your folders are created, move existing notes into the appropriate locations. Next, start using clear and consistent note titles. Descriptive note names make it much easier to find information later using search and links. After that, consider adding tags to related notes. Tags allow you to group information across different folders and quickly locate notes connected to specific topics. You can also use properties to store important metadata, such as status, dates, authors, categories, or project names. Another helpful feature is internal linking. Whenever relevant, create links between related notes so information becomes connected throughout your vault. Over time, these connections can help you discover relationships between ideas and navigate your notes more efficiently. You can also use the graph view to visualize how your notes are connected and identify areas that may need additional organization. In most situations, combining folders, tags, properties, and links will provide a strong organizational system for your vault. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create folders to organize major categories of notes. Second, use consistent note titles and tags to improve discoverability. And third, connect related notes with links and properties to build a structured knowledge system. Remember that good organization isn't about creating a perfect system from the beginning. Instead, focus on building a simple structure that makes it easy to store, find, and connect information. Using folders, tags, properties, and links together can help keep your vault organized even as it grows to hundreds or thousands of notes. This is especially useful for long-term projects, research collections, study materials, and personal knowledge management systems. Taking a few moments to organize your notes today can save a significant amount of time and frustration in the future. And that's how to organize your notes in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.